serious thing. Right now, if David come down and that's a munch, you know, told me how this a skill a big.
Yeah.
I never say like no skill as so yet. I burn it, burn out.
Burn out.
Yes, that's why they not burn out, you know. I just how the fire penetrate.
Okay. Okay, everyone, so today marks the day that we are going to basically pull out the coal out of the coal skill, and I'm going to bring you through the process, and I hope you enjoy it. You know, as I said before, I want to kind of make a complete video, you know, from the whole structural aspect of the coal skill to basically seeing it burn and basically seeing what it looks like when it is burned, and basically the process of pulling out the coal and really packing it for the market. As you can see, we're approaching the coal skill. As you can see here also, Munji went on, and so this is a hoe, people. This is what we call a hoe that we are going to use. So one is kind of damaged on the side, but nevertheless it is still strong, and this is what we are going to use to pull the coal out of the coal skill. So as you can see, it is very long, and the reason why it is long like that is to basically for you to stand at a distance and pull the coal, because there will be some amount of heat coming from the coal skill. So as you can see, based on previous videos that I showed you, the coal skill was much higher than this, and it has dropped in terms of height. It has dropped. So this is how it looks. Part of it is, well, it would still be burning, you know. Remember these holes that I told you about? Steam is coming out of them still. So so we are going to pull the coal skill, guys, and finally you are going to see the end product of a coal skill. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, again, people, so right here, so now we have Munjia I draw the coal skill.
Yeah, me I draw it down here now.
Yeah. So as you can see, I have a hoe, and
I take off the dirt.
yeah, I take off the dirt.
Yeah.
So when you take off the dirt, now you are going to expose the coal.
Right.
So as him say, I draw down this side, because over the other side, want steam out.
I throw enough dirt pan it, you know.
Little. Yeah.
Enough dirt I throw on pan it.
Okay.
That means that you know bust up.
Mm-hmm.
But never so much dirt. Me have to flick out coal already.
Yeah.
But it's a big scale.
Mm-hmm.
But that's alright. Put on the amount of dirt.
Yeah. So it's like you have to draw through a whole heap of dirt before you reach the skill.
Yeah, we soon reach it here now.
You know, man. Before you reach the coal.
Yeah. We reach it now, you know, close.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You know, you hear that? I coal him and dig out. Coal them hot.
Before you talk out through this part you hard. Before you talk out through this part you hard. Before you talk, man. That's true.
That people. Coal there. Coal. Them. I coal that people. It is one of the downfall with coal skill, people. If you don't monitor it properly, you find say coal burn out. So the bucket of water, yeah? What I'm going to do is I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it when I pull out the coal, I'm going to use it and sprinkle it on the coal to cool off them. Make them cool down and get off any fire because the coal would have on fire still. So I'm going to sprinkle the coal when I spread out it with the water, cool them out. Other people, like when I small I grew up, we used to like cover them under the dirt, right? To kind of cool them down and out any fire. But him have a different method. Him just use the water, sprinkle them instead of we go through the whole burying and then after we go dig them up back or search back for them. You know what I mean? So him just expose them on the surface and then just sprinkle them with water. You see that, people? A big chunk of coal that come out. See that? The piece is not burn good. You see the big piece in jar a while ago. Say the back part not burn good for you.
Yeah, man, the back part burn good.
No, you want no around there so. The side there up there so.
Yes, having.
Having little more we need for burn. You good, man. Yeah, people, it show what you call it, but when it show it shell up. So we see say I just
Good thing.
yeah, man, I just break we need to break up here. Cause in show a while ago people it shell up. I say like if you road go back for it, would you?
Yes.
Can't make that drop off in your foot, you know. Burning.
True.
More fire. That people, whole heap of coal up on the side. So. See that? As soon as him lick off the coal off of it. So. It's no hard part in there, coal them go fall off, the hard part I go leave.
This one no burn good though. This one no burn good.
You no burn good? So you want to leave the other side then? You want to leave the other side, make it burn a little more?
This one no burn good. I got you to a coal, I can't draw. It no burn good. The first one is a little one. And see from the start you use the hoe? A coal pan coal. 7 bag and a half. And this a double time. Not like this one out here today.
Yeah.
And little tin look up from the peg to right here so. Serious. And it look now, see the earth there?
Yeah.
I just so.
Oh.
Serious thing.
So you say the one no burn good?
This one.
So what you think could have caused that? What make it no burn good?
This one burn out.
It burn out?
Yes.
So you should dry for a long time?
So that joke that side there.
For a long time, side for a long time?
For a long time.
Okay. Well, that's why I say the other side good already too.
The other side have been wood.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why I work from this side. The right idea.
Take out you can take out of the side, yes.
My family, I go for something now, damp it up.
Okay, okay.
Smaller skill and that, let me tell you, a 10 bag and hard months you take up.
Yeah?
No big sitting like that and long, and smaller.
Okay.
Flat down.
So this how him, so what I say is that he left the side of burn out. Basically in terms of overburn. So the coal end up burn out, a lot of it turn ashes and a lot of it burn and get very small, which I can't really sell to nobody.
Look
So,
like say.
as you can see, this is how him get out of there. I just say out of this one third of the coal skill. So as you can see now, him wet up the coal. Right? This is a feeding process, as we discussed earlier. So Yeah. Wait up if you get rid of the fire. Cool down the coal so we can take it up and put it in the bag.
Serious thing. Right now, if Debbie come down in that month, you know, told me how this is still a bit.
Yeah.
I never say like no skill as so yet. I burn it, burn out.
Burn out.
Yes, that's why then I burn out, you know. I just how the fire penetrate.
Okay.
Right? That's how part it like from?
Yeah.
Yes, I burn out.
Okay.
But that's why then I burn out. Because I test it.
Yeah.
So cold.
So cool.
Yes, and I like this.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Well, we're glad so we get something out of the side of the door. No, so?
Yes.
Better we get something out of it than nothing. You see, people, this is going for C-AgriTech channel. I teach you how to burn coal.
That side is solid, that side is not burn. Come on, set back in my work. In the farm?
Yeah.
Yes, the farm is more better.
Okay.
Yeah, clean up. You did know?
So what?
So the farming better than this?
Better than this? Yeah, because at the end of the day, with the farming, you can make money out of it and you can get food to eat out of it too. But this, you can only make money off of it basically. But
yes,
you can also you can use it to cook with too.
Yes, and we cook with it too.
Yeah, so they have them benefits still, but maybe the farm would have a slight advantage over a coal burning still, because you can as well go on the farm and cut a banana and put it down for ripe and
yes,
eat it. You don't need to cook it.
Ripe planting, green
ripe planting, everything. You can go pick one mango or you can pick some kind of fruit and eat it without it have to cook. But with the coal skiller now, it's just that you can sell the coal, make money, buy food.
Yes.
Or you can burn the coal and you can use it cook. That's all. You know, but you look like you get discouraged, man.
I don't like how this one dismiss.
I know say this, but you can't get discouraged, man. I just remember saying I just because you believe say well you want to burn a little more, but you did actually want to draw. So I just overburn, man. Nothing wrong, man. Next time we get it right. Remember say original coal, man, you know, so.
Say man, I like one small man, if every day I say money, you know.
Yeah.
And that's what this is the side I did, but I tell you, man, you have to smile in the time.
Yeah.
The whole of you have to spread out with coal, and one day we take, you know.
Yeah.
One day me and Debbie take. And take up almost 12 bags of coal.
Yeah.
And you can tell her, no like this, no. Long fan this at the button. And short.
Everything alright, man. Just go on again. How are you, man? Don't make you discouraged, man. I mean, no, say I will if I work still. But you have to put in your work if you want anything done. So people, so Munji, what you going to do after you wet the coal? After you cool it down?
Just pick up.
You just pick them up and put them in a crocus bag.
Yeah.
And tie up it. And then you're ready for the market.
Lace them up.
Lace the bag on your fully. So people see it here. See it there? I cool that. See it there? Cool. See it? Cool.
That's what I have to do it, you know.
Cool.
But then they want the cooler.
The people, cool.
The pressure of the farming. The sitting on the top the coil, pumpkin. Yes.
I prefer farming.
Right, see the same thing when I look for you and it slip me up. That piece of coal there.
Yeah. So people see it there, we dig down the party as we say. And this how we get out of it because when I say is that it burn out. So we don't get no whole heap out of it. So. But
the next side not answer the side here.
The side there.
Yes,
Me I say man, we get good amount over there so.
yes,
So
man.
you don't have
That
to worry
side
yourself.
alright. That side are perfect.
Yeah. Yeah man, so
Yes,
make
that
this.
side that stink, I tried with the cutlass.
Yeah.
But I that's so when it light,
Mm-hmm.
the fire penetrate that's all.
Oh, so yeah, too much fire did there.
It's penetrate that's all.
Everything safe man. Don't worry. Still I get couple bag out of it. Well. Yes sir people. The only thing that is left to be seen is basically pick up the coal and fi bag it up and tie up the bag. And basically fi draw the rest of the skill. But I basically the same process like what him do for the side here, him do for the other side.
Yeah.
Him dry down, pull out the coal, like when him pull it out on the side. Him go out the flames off of the coal, pull them down like how you see me do it here so. Right, as I say, I just pick up the coal by hand and put it in the bag. Right? So yeah Munji.
Yeah, they get cool out that's enough.
Yeah man, we get more. So people, as I say, see coal eh?
That's
And we are go sign off right here so.
Yes.
And then what I go do is I go show you how it look when you bag it up in the bag and ready for the market. Right, so we are go stop here so. So thank you for joining and see you again in the final update. Hello, now that you're at the end, if this video was beneficial to you, please consider subscribing. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you.